So today we are going to discuss about the map in listening practice test. The very first thing which you all need to do in the map is mark all the locations according to the directions. Now we'll listen the audio.
Now, on Sunday, we'll be taking our visitors to Farley House. You may not all be familiar with it, so here's a map to help you. You can see the car park at the bottom of the map.
So in the very first line, speaker said that we are in car park, so point car park in the map with your pencil. Let's hear the next audio.
There's an excellent farm shop in the grounds where our visitors can buy local produce. It's in the old stables.
Now he said there is a farm shop in the old stables, but we have two locations over here. One is marked with G and another one is H. So we'll find about this in the next line. Listen carefully.
It's in the old stables, which is the first building you come to. They're built round a courtyard, and the shop's in the far corner on the left.
So firstly, he explained the exact location of the old stables, which is the first building if we start from the car park, and then he said shops are in the far corner on the left. So we have G in the corner, and is on the left, so our answer for farm shops is G. Let's hear the next audio.
As you go in, I know that one or two of our visitors may not be all that mobile. The main entrance to the house has a lot of steps, so you might want to use the disabled entry.
In this, he said that house has a number of entry points, as we all can see, but we'll go through the disabled entry. So now, he will explain which one is the disabled entry.
You might want to use the disabled entry. This is on the far side of the house from the car park.
Here he said disabled entry is in the far side from the car park, which means we have to figure out that which one is more distant from car park. Is it E or C? And you all can easily find that it is C, so our answer is C. Now listen further.
Children will probably be most interested in the adventure playground that's at the northern end of the larger lake in a bend on the path that leads to the lake. There's lots for children to do there.
Okay, so this one is too easy. The speaker said that playground is on the north end of the larger lake, and the lake on the left is the larger one, so we have our answer, that is B. Let's hear the next audio.
There are a number of lovely gardens near the house. The kitchen gardens are rectangular and surrounded by a wall there to the northeast of the house, quite near the smaller lake. They're still in use.
Again, it is also the easy one. The kitchen gardens are on the northeast side, near small lake. So for this answer, you all should be very clear about the directions, because over there you will not get any extra time for that. If you look into the northeast side, we have only one location, which is D, and this is the kitchen gardens. Now listen further.
The Temple of the Four Winds is a bit more of a walk, but it's worth it. Take the path from the car park and go past the western sides of the stables and the house. Then when the path forks, take the right-hand path, go up there with the woods on your left and the temple is right at the end. There are great views over the whole area. Okay.
On this occasion, the speaker explained the location of the next site, which is the Temple of the Four Winds, and here you all need to understand the audio carefully because this one is a bit lengthy. Firstly, take path to the western side from car park, means go to the left from car park. And then he said, go through the old stables and house, means cross the both buildings, then path forks into two directions and choose the right side, and at the end, we have the Temple of the Four Winds, which is A. So thank you all students for watching this video. Hope you all understand it in detail, and please like, subscribe, and comment for more videos.